Most welcome in Technology Welfare. In this video tutorial, especially I would like to show you how to make a delay simultaneously, how you will channelize of any MP3 song in your player. Yes, if you would like to play in the left channels specified, if you would like to play the song specifically in your right channels, yes, I will show you the clue and tricks. By virtue of that, of course, you will be able to channelize, as well as, of course, you will be able to edit the sound smoothly with delay. So here, see, this is a audio editor master where I have to go and select the MP3. So for example here, see, just I will go for firstly create a new files, and I will select here sample range, that is 60,000 to, of course, 96,000 hertz, and here this ones we have to select the 44. Now I will go for OK. Just let it maximize. Now see here, I will go for open and I will select the song that you would like to modify. So for example, this ones I would like to have here. For example, let's see the one song. Suppose here it has been clearly mentioned here, the file new the recording has been modified, do you want to save it or not? So yes, I would like to have, this would be on a desktop by, suppose, I3, that means I will save on my desktop. Alright, now song has started to modify. Now see, firstly after selecting, just I will go for here, press the hold the Control and A, select the all, then I will go for firstly in here in delay. Just you have to click on effect, and you have to go for now delay. In delay you have to enhance these ones, 620. So for example here, now see guys here, six 27, that's fine, no problem at all. Now what I will do here, just I will go for OK. Now see guys here, it has started to generate. Here see, it has started to generate. Now it's generated finally. Now if I see, then it will speak but slowly. One player will, of course, vocal point will play, but a little bit will be slow, of course, of another channel. So for example, of course, right channel is playing the vocal point just a little slow, left channel will play. So here for example, let you show with illustrations. Let's see. See, just a slow another channel is playing. So now you have to go for channelize specified of your channels that you would like to. So here what you have to do, just you have to go for here, click on here, and you have to go for selection your specified channels. So for example, left I will select here. Right. For example here, see, I have selected all. Here just I will select the specified. So see, let you inform firstly one thing. See, this is a fluctuating focal point, so you have to select from where there is a dwindle focal point, of course. So suppose from here to here, of course we can do. So suppose from here to here I will take I would like to select these ones. Now just I will click here. Now you see edit channels. Yes, edit left channel, right channel and both channel has been reflected, highlighted with highlighted. Now see here what you have to do. Just I will go for left and I will come here in yes amplify. So this is amplify. Now I have selected already here left, so just I will deselect these ones and I will yes reduce these ones, not a 0, just keep it up to the 5%, 6 5 to 6, that is a fine. Now I will go for OK. Now see guys, here it has started to generate, now completed. Now once again here, now see I will select from here. Now yeah, from here this is your left. Now see guys, here your vocal point has been decreased. Now it will yes amplify, but with very slowly with left channel, yes at this scale, but in a especially right channel will be full sound of vocal point. So now see here, just I will select from here to here. This one I would like to yes allocate in a right channel. So just I will go for here once again right channel, because it was a left. Now I rest on a right channel. See here this circle is just saying that R is equal to UR on the right channels. Now what I will do here, once again I will go for yes amplify. In amplify right channel, just I will decrease the sound of amplification. So now see I will keep 6, this one also. Now I will go for OK here. Now see guys, here it has started to yes it has started to generate now. Now finally I have done. Now see it's dwindle now. Now what I will do here, just I will click here, I will go on both channels. Now see, if you see guys here, it will play in a both, of course from here to here in a both channel. Then of course it will start to play the vocal point in only one right channel. Then yes from here it will play but in both channels from here to here. Then yes it will play in only one the left channel, not a right channel. So now let you show you, of course with illustrations here. See, suppose from here to this one I would like to play. So now see guys, firstly I will firstly it will play from here to here in a both. Then it will start to play only one in this channel, especially in the left, especially in the right channels. And then this is your left, this is your right. So and then it will play in only one, especially left channel. Left channel will be amplified, dwindled totally, because see where there is a vocal point has been decreased, there will be dwindle amplification in that channel. So now see this is here, let's show you with illustration, because that will be more clear. So let's see in a both channel. Now see only one, it's playing the one channels. Now see in the both channel. Now see only one in a only one right channel. So guys, by that of course you will be able to amplify the any MP3 simultaneously. Also you would like to yes have the delay with that any vocal point, then also you can have by this application easily. Yes, I will show you one by one, especially how you will go for the silencing, how you will go for the normalizing, how you will go for the compressor, and how you will go for the with vibrato, flanger, of course phaser, one by one. But especially in this video tutorial, my motive that how you will go for yes amplify the vocal point in your specified channels simultaneously. How you will go for Yes, I have the amplification with the delay and a vocal point. So yes, delay I have already mentioned to you, and this is your, of course, amplification. According to, you will be easily able to channelize, and of course you will be able to hear the song, listen the song according to your desirable, of course, rhythm, and as well as, of course, uh, music of amplification, as well as the I mean your editing sound, edited sound especially. So this is all about how you will save, my dear. Here just what you have to do here, see, simple, you have to go for this one. Here this is a save, and click here, it will be only, of course, it will save on your desktop. Here this ones, for example, here let's see. See, video will be lengthy because it will start to generate the mp3 of edited, thus you have edited here. Then after editing, just you have to go for, yes, this one is a save, just a save, go for, and there write the name, yeah, the whatever you have already. So just if you click the save, then it will start to generate, and after generating, of course, your edited mp3 will be prepared. Now then you can the play in any players on this one songs. So guys, this is all about in this video tutorial, and if it has been benefited to you in any way, then don't forget like and subscribe to my channel, and also leave the comment below the comment box, and that how do you like this video tutorial, guys, because this is a thing that will inspire me to make more and more video for education purpose, guys. So thank you, have a great time, bye bye.